Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen. If there's a separation, make sure you do it from the right. And in here you'll find your screen recorder. Now for me it is right over here. So it's kind of like a box with a camera inside of it. You can click on it. It will bring up window, letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded and if touches will be recorded on the screen. And click on start recording. You can skip the countdown. And whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. This will also include most of the applications, but not all. And you sometimes might experience that when you try to record some applications, when you play them back, what you will end up having is a straight black screen. Now, once you're done recording, you can click on the square right here. This will, as you can see, save your recording, and it will be saved into your gallery and also into your photos. Now, it's just a single file, but you can find it in multiple locations. I'm going to use gallery for this, and you can see it right here under the pictures tab. So it's going to show up there. But later on, if you're trying to find that screen recording down the line, it might be easier to navigate to albums. And in albums, you'll find an album called Screen Recordings. And in here, obviously, you'll find screen recordings. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.